Hey guys, welcome back to Smartphone World. Lenovo is working on the successor of Moto G5 family, and in this video let's see the specs of Moto G6 Play, the most budget-friendly version in Moto G6 family. I made a separate video for Moto G6 and G6 Plus, I will leave the link to that video in description. The Moto G6 Play will flaunt an aluminium frame mated to a toughened glass panel at the front, and is curved on both sides to allow for a better grip. The Moto G6 Play will have a 5.7-inch HD IPS LCD screen with 16:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood the device will be powered by Snapdragon 430 processor with 2 or 3 GB RAM. The device will have 16 or 32 GB internal storage. The Moto G6 Play might sport a single 12-megapixel rear-facing camera with a camera bump module, and a LED flash at the back. At the front, G6 Play will have 5-megapixel front camera with flash for selfies. The fingerprint sensor is placed at the back under the camera module. The renders also show that the Moto G6 Play sporting a micro USB charging port, and it might also retain the 3.5mm headphone jack. Moto G6 Play will feature a humongous 4000 mAh battery and the device will have 2-day battery life. It could be launched in 3 color variants, silver, deep blue, and gold. The expected price of the device is around $150, 9,000 rupees approximately. G6 Play will be unveiled at MWC 2018 along with Moto G6 and G6 Plus, and the device is expected to go on sale from March. So what do you guys think about Moto G6 Play? Share your thoughts on comments section. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and, you guys have a great day.